Oh, Math Gad guys, welcome to another video. Today's video tutorial is going to be very helpful. But before we continue with the video, guys, it's very helpful to me and for the ohmathgad community to grow, for you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and again, subscribe. Let's begin.
Oh my God.
Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at a very easy, fast, but effective example of the zero product property, what it is, and how to solve a problem of a quadratic equation using it. So basically we have to first define what is the zero product property. So the zero product property states that for all real numbers a and b, if a times b is 0, either a is 0 or b is 0. So we know that, for example, any number like 5 times 0 is going to be 0. And if we multiply a variable like a b times 0, that is going to be 0. Or if we multiply 50a times 0 is 0. So that means that whenever we have two things being multiplied, x and y, and the answer is 0, it either means that this is 0 or that this is 0. So we're going to be using that logic to solve the problems. So let's take a look at the following factorization, which is 2x minus 5 times 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. So because of the zero product property, that tells us that either this is going to be equal to 0 or that this is going to be equal to 0. So because we're not sure, we have to know that we have to separate them both. So 2x minus 5 is going to be equal to 0, and also 7x plus 2 is going to be equal to 0. Okay, so 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, and we're going to isolate the value of x. So 2x is equal to plus 5, and then x is equal to 5 divided by 2, which is going to give us an answer of 2.5, and that is going to be the first answer. And then in this case, we have 7x plus 2 is equal to 0, meaning that we're going to isolate the value for x again. So we have 7x is equal to minus 2, and then x is equal to minus 2 divided by 7. And that is going to be our other answer. So that means that either 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 or that 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. And that is what you're going to do. So whenever you have you factor and you have that the multiplication of those two factors or three factors is equal to 0, you know that your answer is going to be obtained by isolating each and every single parenthesis, equaling it to 0. And that's pretty much it, guys. So see you on the next one. Bye. Check out these other videos to improve your math skills. And make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!